Hello students, welcome to Coding Treasures. Today we are going to discuss about Pickle module. Suppose you are playing a video game. After some time you want to close it so that you want to store the current status of the game, including the current level, your score, etc. Because when you open the game again, it should start from where you stopped. This is same as you need to store the current value of variables in programming. To store current status of a variable in Python programming, we are using Pickle module. Look at the monitor. I have written a very short programming snippet. In the first statement, we are accepting an integer value for a. Then b is given the value a plus 10. Now I want to close the program, but I don't want to lose the value of b. How is that possible? In such condition, we can use Pickle module. First, we need to import the Pickle module. I can write it as import Pickle. To work with Pickle module, I need to open the file in binary mode. So I can write it as f object represents file object is equal to open my file dot dat comma wb mode. I am opening the file only to perform a writing operation. Here dot dat represents a generic file that can store any types of data. After opening the file, I can write the content onto the file using dump method. So I write pickle.dump of b comma file object. Now the current state of b is stored onto the file. Here the value of b is converted onto the byte of streams and stored on the file object. This process is called as pickling, and it is also called as serialization. Which method have we used for pickling? So we have used dump method for pickling. So what is the syntax of dump method? The dump of data object comma file object. Now what is pickling or serialization? The process of converting data or any Python object into streams of bytes is called as serialization or pickling. Now we will close the file, open it again, and I want to print the value of b. Let us write the code for that. First I will import Pickle module, open the file in binary mode with the help of rb opening mode. Then I will take a variable. Here I have taken variable b is equal to pickle dot load of file object. Then I will close the file object. Now we got the old status of b. Now we can print it. Print b. In this example, the byte of streams is converted into Python object. This process is called as unpickling or de-serialization. So we are using load method for unpickling. So what is the syntax of load method? We can write load of file object. It will return the content of file as object that should be stored somewhere. I am storing it in store object. What is unpickling or de-serialization? The process of converting stream of bytes into a Python object is called as unpickling or de-serialization. Let us go for the practical session. Let me import the Pickle module. Import Pickle. Now I will open the file only to perform writing operation in binary mode. F object is equal to open D drive my files. I will create it as file3.dat. Opening it only to perform a writing operation in binary mode. I will accept a list from the user eval input, enter a list, okay. It is asking to enter a list from the user. I will enter the list as 12, 23, 45. Now I will use the dump method. Pickle dot dump of first I have to pass data object, that is list1, comma file object fobj. Okay, now I will close the file object dot close. Let's go to my files folder, file3.dat. Let's try to open it using notepad. This is binary file, so it shows garbage value when it opened through notepad. I will close it. Go back to IDLE, reopen the file, copy paste. I will change it as read mode. Use a variable, use pickle method dot load and load the file object. Content of file that is in binary format will be converted back to Python object, and we are storing it in var. Now display var. So we got the old status of list1, nothing but 12, 23, 45. I hope you understood the pickle method. If this video is helpful, kindly like the video, share the video, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.